Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, the 1st of March. Yes, it is March. And this is our weekly recap. It goes out there for free. If you want to join us, please come over to smartoptiontrading.com and join us at live trading alerts. Let's talk about this week. It's been a great week for us here in the room. I hope you all had a great week, but not the easiest of weeks to navigate. When you look at the SPY, the first thing that's going to stand out is, other than yesterday, volume has been very, very weak. And actually, yesterday was nothing special until late in the day when we got big volume to the close. And you can see again today, volume here, we're at 19 million shares, almost 2 hours in. I'm leaving early today. It's about 11:30. We're very, very low volume. So very quiet market overall. The SPY, you had this downtrend. We broke above that here, a nice little push. Now we have 2 days and we're back at all-time highs. And you can see this market holding well. We have a couple of channels. The first one comes in up here at 513 right now. First time we hit that, we stop, we pull back, never even hit the AEMA, and now here we are looking at it again. You have the other channel sitting down here, which we haven't even touched, and this gap remains untouched. Overall, the market remains very strong. While everybody keeps talking, we've talked about it in the room at nauseum, that seasonality says we should be pulling back now. The market keeps saying no. And if you're trying to fight this trend, you're missing out. First of all, you're probably getting absolutely slaughtered if you're trying to short this market over and over again. And, it's just not working. By the way, Amazon, big pop, new highs of the day. NVIDIA, big pop, new highs of the day. Big strength there. So when you look at what else is going on, by the way, CRM here, after the earnings that were not the best all-time highs, it tells you all you need to know about this market. The QQQ, new all-time highs here today. The diamonds just south of it. The IWM woke up, nice move, clearing this 52-week plus high. Let me see what that one can go. I have resistance up there at 210. The SMHs, which looked vulnerable a couple of days ago, looked like we were ready to get into this gap. What gap? That gap. It's all the way down here. Now we have another new gap, new all-time high here as well. And that's where the strength of this market continues to be. The strength seems to be in your chip names. NVIDIA pushing right now at 817. This, come on here, all-time highs at 823.94. Looks like it wants it. AMD put a new all-time high in today of 201.59. SMCI continues to push back up. Help me out here, guys. You had some rotation today. We saw names like Avgo, new all-time high, ahead of earnings next week. Micron, big move today. Taiwan Semi, right? So they're broadening out. It's not just NVIDIA anymore. You're seeing the broadening out in the chip space here. Microsoft's been a tough trader all week. Still can't quite get above this level and back up, but holding in. Meta, by the way, new all-time highs today, over 500 here. Amazon, new 52 plus week high right now, all-time high, sitting up there at 188.65. You can see they're coming after these names. Then there's these names. There's Google. Google, after their AI fiasco here, has been beaten up, can't get going, remains under the 8-day, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps now above it left unfilled. That's all you need to know. Very weak name. Apple also, they canceled their car project this week. The market initially liked it, then didn't like it, and they're talking AI, but not until next year. And Goldman Sachs removed it from their conviction buy list after 3 months on it today. So again, a lot of weakness there. Apple looks vulnerable down towards the 165 range. What am I forgetting here, guys? ARM gave nice trades this week. Nice move here. It has to clear that 149 area to get going. Tesla gave trades this week in and out of it, but overall is stuck. It's holding up here. It tried to push this gap a couple times, just couldn't go. Gap and come in. It's stuck, and you can see it's generally coming off the bottoms, but kind of still stuck and still not going anywhere very easily. Palantir, good one. Let's talk about that. Palantir here today, pushing to a new multi-year high here at 25.69. There's talk that they may join the S&P 500. That'll be announced after the close today. If it does, that'll be good for Palantir. However, a lot of time those initial pops you get after hours don't hold until Monday. That said, if it does not join, I would look for a downtick and a little bit of a sell on this one on Monday. My calls are covered. I'm in the April 24 covered calls, and happy to get called away around the $26 area if that happens. And I've been sitting in this for years, so I will see it adjust after this, but I still have time. Anything else, guys, I didn't talk about? I mean, it's been that kind of week. Square continues to be a difficult trade. I love the name. Took a nice loss on that one this week. Just can't hold, can't get going after earnings. Came down too far and now still stuck. The trade continues to be in AI and very specific names. So with that said, I'm going to wish you guys a wonderful weekend. I should get the charts on Sunday morning for you guys. Have a good one. Thanks, everybody.